everyone, it's Skylar. Welcome back to the channel, and we have another food versus review for you guys. Tonight we are doing a burger review. So tonight's contenders are Archie's, and this was with fries. It was like £13 something, and we're doing Five Guys, so it's right. So the similar prices, £13 something and £14 something. So yeah, but I did get Archie's drinks, which is two different ones. So I got pink lemonade and I got good soda. So let's do Archie's first. Let's do the fries. But with Archie's, I did get a cheese dip, so that's what was included in the price as well. So, and I got curly fries with like a peri sauce. So, oh, curly fries! I love curly fries. So. Hang on! I'm just filming! Okie dokie! So now this is the cheese sauce. That actually goes really well with these fries. So, sorry, I'm just look at these curly fries. So nice, so juicy, stringy, which I like. I love curly fries. The seasoning on it, brilliant. Best fry I've had in a long time. And that cheese sauce complements it. So, and then I got a Route 66 burger because it was one of the other ones that I could have. So, but with no barbecue sauce. So, and Archie's was the cheapest by £1. So looking on closer inspection. Got your two patties, your onion, cheese, maple syrup. Did someone drop the maple? No, the other one had the maple syrup, and your lettuce. So obviously, I'll have turkey bacon with this one as well. No. I will say this, it is a little bit greasy. I need one more bite. Not bad. Not bad. Not bad. Oh, it's got tomato in it as well. I just want to dip it quick in the cheese sauce, just to try it with the cheese sauce. So, I'm liking this. Only negative point with this is it's a little bit greasy, but this burger is very compliment with the cheese sauce. So yeah, only downfall to it, it's a bit greasy for me. But for the first time trying a Archie's burger, I'm pretty impressed. But best fries ever. So pink lemonade. For the pink lemonade, I'll give it a 7 out of 10. Good soda. 9.5 out of 10. Amazing. But them fries, for the fries alone, 10 out of 10. Love the fries. The burger slightly let it down a little bit. I'll give it an 8 out of 10. But you know where we're going now. My fave. You know me, I love my Five Guys. So spicy Cajun sauce, selected salmon the chip on the Five Guys. Love my Five Guys chips. Cajun's a little bit spicy, but that's okay. Now I'm using the cheese sauce from the first one, just to see if it makes it any better. Oh, it does. That cheese sauce for these fries are freaking insane. So, but I need to see what burger I've got, because I've ordered myself one for later on, so I think that's my smaller one. Just let me check. That's my smaller one. Yeah, that's my smaller one. So this is my bigger one, and as you know me, I love my Five Guys burgers, and I've always said I love my Five Guys, and as you can see, 2 pieces of burger, but this is, and we have got peppers, grilled peppers, so you know me by now. For a few seconds bite to confirm it, but this is so juicy. It's not, Five Guys burgers isn't greasy. It's just so juicy and tender. I'm really fussy with cheeseburgers, as you know, but it's so meaty. So nice, and I get mine with like the grilled onions, grilled peppers, grilled mushroom, tomatoes. That's me. So right. So here's the thing. Right. If we're speaking on fries alone, these get a 7 out of 10 for the fries. But my burger is 10 out of 10. Five Guys burger for me is a 10 out of 10. Absolutely love it. Now, if you would have done these fries at Five Guys, I would be completely sold. I would be going to Five Guys all day long, but I will go back to Archie's just for the fries and the dip. So for me, Archie's, out of the fries, Archie's fries do it for me. Just so good. But for the burger, because they're around the same price. I think this is $9.49 and this is $9.45. Is it $9.45? Yeah. So that's $9.49 and that's $9.45. So the Five Guys burger is actually cheaper, and it's my favourite. Yeah, the Archie's curly fries are cheaper, and they're my favourite. So for me, overall, it's gonna be like but if we're just judging on chips alone, Archie's. But if we're doing it overall, it's Five Guys for me all the way. If I was to do a toss up between two burger places, Archie's and Five Guys, to me all the way, it's going to be Five Guys. But I would definitely go back to Archie's and get the drink. So I'm impressed. Like, I love. For me, I just put this at the end. For me, as I said, I'm not really a burger eater. I don't like McDonald's burgers. I don't like Burger King burgers. I'm not really too keen on like kebab shop burgers or anything like that. But I am obsessed with my Five Guys burger. I love it. Please don't tell me any differently. I've even tried TGI Fridays. I've tried Gourmet Burger, Honest Burger. It's nothing compared to that. For me, with my allergies and stuff like that, I would eat that all day long and still feel satisfied, hungry, whatever. But even with the Archie's burger, it was still nice, but it was just a bit too greasy for me. That was the only downside to the Archie's burger. If it would have been like not as greasy, I would definitely go back and get another Archie's burger. But for me, I am a Five Guys gal all the way. That'll probably never ever change. But so Five Guys burger for me. If you're a fan of Archie's, like if we were doing fries alone, Archie's for the fries, hands down. Love my Archie's fries. But I will say this. Like, I got 2 drinks, a burger, fries, and that for about £16, and that's a good price. That for me, that is a good price. And then I paid 27, but I got a hot dog for pizza, so it's about £20, £20 for 2 cheeseburgers and fries. So it's still good value, but for me, if you want that quality of a burger, for me, Five Guys does it. But I will say this, I did enjoy this. I actually did enjoy it, but I'm a Five Guys gal, and I'll always be a Five Guys gal. So yeah, so I hope that you enjoyed that burger, the burger battle of the burgers, battle of the cheeseburgers. So Five Guys wins, hands down. If you guys have got any suggestions what I should do next, battle ofs, we could go from there, because I want to see your guys' suggestions, but I got the main two out the way. I got the main two, the chicken and the burgers. Next on my list, maybe desserts. Like, do I go for like a Dunkin' Donuts dessert, or do I go for like another dessert? Like, I'm just trying to think of some suggestions, but I'm happy with doing this challenge, and I can't highly recommend enough Five Guys. That's just the way I am. But if you're an Archie's fan, after seeing this video, go for it. But this sauce is insane. Because I was actually surprised. I said, hey, for you guys that are new to my channel, I do also suffer with a severe vinegar allergy, so it also hinders me what I can have and what I can't have. So having these burgers are amazing. My burgers are plain, by the way, if you're wondering. The only thing that I had that was sauce wise is this, and then the fries I had like the peri curly fries, and then the curly Cajun fries. So yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. I have something up that'll go up over the weekend, so yeah, like, comment, subscribe. There's a little bell, please click it, but click on all notifications so you'll be notified of every video that comes up on my channel. And I'll be appreciated if you watch these videos, because I do all, it's not just food reviews that I just do. I do all sorts of different stuff. I do like talk about movies, I do my vlogs, travel vlogs, and just a few other little bits. But I've been throwing these in because I just wanted to do something different for the channel, and I've been enjoying doing this. So yeah, so stay gaudy and have unpleasant dreams, and I will see you all in the next video. Ta-ta for now. Bye. Bye-bye.